This house currently has 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. The 4th bedroom is really like a service room, very small. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert the house to a 3-4 plus an office. And we're gonna focus on having all of the modern features of today's day and age, such as a big kitchen, a large living room, and ensuite for all the bedroom. This way we can convert this 102 years old home a modern one. Other thing that we're gonna do, of course, since we have a lot of land, we will be adding a pool, probably a lap pool for exercise. The garage behind you is actually, we are debating if we should just make it a little taller or convert it to a pool house to add a more square footage to the house. And also the house has 2,800 square feet. We wanted to add at least 200 to bring the house into the 3,000 square feet range, which is what everybody's looking for. So we're trying to do everything possible to get the best product at the end, if at the end we will decide to sell it.